Hey everybody, it's Ryan here. Now, as you can tell, summer is upon us. Now, during the spring, we've probably taken the time and cleaned the inside of our house, but now it's time to come out and enjoy the beautiful outdoors and our patios. But before we do that, we need to spruce it up and get some cleaning done. Now, as a contractor and a homeowner, my secret weapon is a pressure washer. They're super versatile. There's a lot of options out there, whether you're looking to prep, to paint, clean your driveway, or just simply wash your car and spray off the cobwebs. There's an option out there for you. So today I'm going to cover all those for you to make sure you get the right machine for the job. So the first option we want to talk about is electric versus gas. Now with gas power washers, obviously you have a gas engine, which is more maintenance, as well as having to keep a fuel tank. Now, unless you're a contractor and you're power washing every day or every week, it's just not really a good option for homeowners. Now, as a homeowner, the electric options are a much better way to go. They're easy to store, you don't have to mess with the fuel, and they're really easy to use, but still packs quite a punch. So the next thing you want to look at is PSI. What does that mean? Pounds per square inch, which simply is the pressure coming out of the nozzle. There really is the right machine for the job. So kind of determine what you're going to be using it for, and then you can decide how much PSI you need. Now, in generally, more PSI, they're a little bit more expensive. So make sure you get one that's right for you and fits your budget. Now, the next thing you're going to see is GPM, or gallons per minute. Basically, if you're doing very large areas, you want a higher gallon per minute. But for most of our homeowner projects, it's really about the PSI. That is what is most important. Now today I have two really great options from Westinghouse. I have the EPX 2000 and 3000, and as you can see, they kind of look the same. Some cool features that they both have. They have these very easy rolling wheels. They're lockable. They're fairly small, so they're very easy to store in the garage. This one is about 12 inches tall. This one is 16 inches tall. Now the big difference is the PSI. Here on the 2000, we have 1500 PSI. This is really good for general cleanup. Are you washing a car, spraying off the cobwebs in your foyer, anything of that nature? This is really, really good. The wand has basically an all-in-one nozzle, which is good for all those general projects. It also has this attachment where you can put a cleaner or soap in this, put it on it, and it will help disperse the soap, and then you can continue with your cleaning. This is a really good light-duty machine for everyday cleaning. Now with the 3000, we're going to step up. The big difference here is this wand. It has removable tips. You have a black one for soap, and then we have a 15 degree, 25 degree, and a pinpoint, which basically is the spray pattern. A pinpoint is just that. It's a very fine needle. You want to be careful using that. That's for like rock work and very durable surfaces. The other ones are for cleaning driveways and things like that. It's going to show you in the manual what each one is really, really good for. The other really cool thing about this machine here is it has a soap tank built right into it. Back here, you just open the spout, pour your soap or cleaner, whatever you're going to use, and it will automatically disperse through the machine. Now these are power tools, and of course safety is very important. There's some precautions that you should take. Wear some eyewear, perhaps some boots. Don't ever use them barefoot. Don't ever point the nozzle at someone or an animal while you're spraying. The right tip for the right job so that you don't injure people or products. And then don't go on a ladder with these. If something needs to be pressure washed that's on a ladder, that's when you call in the professionals. Just use this safely and you'll have great results every time. No matter the surfaces that you plan on cleaning, to get rid of those grimy dirt, mold, stains, and whether it be your deck, your siding, the side of your house, you can even wash your car. For all the information today on power washers, be sure to go to westinghouseoutdoorpower.com, and as always, designingspaces.tv.